Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Sudhir. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friends. Friends, he was born as Shah Zaman Khan Afridi on 25 January 1921 in Hassan Gari, Peshawar, British India. He was of Pashtun origin but he spent all his life in Lahore. Sudhir started his career with a role in Bollywood films named Quaris in 1947 in British India. Afterward, he migrated to Pakistan after 1947. He started his career in the Pakistani cinema. His first film was Hichkichai in 1949. He appeared in hit musical film Dupatta in 1952. In 1954, he was the first ever Urdu film and celebrate a golden jubilee. And these was the two led to the building of large film studio in the Pakistan. Sudhir was the hero of action film Baghi 1956, the first Pakistani film to be shown in China. He was an action film hero but appeared as Hatim Te in Hatim. As Prince Salim is a famous film Anarkali 1958 as Mirza Jat in the film Mirza, Sahiban 1956 as Mahiwal in the film Soni, and as Mirza Ghalib in the film Ghalib. He acted in the film Nooran, Jomar and Gul Bakawli, etc. He started in one of the highest grossing Punjabi film Kartar Singh in 1959. He later appeared in his such as film Farangi and more films. At a very old age, he had a special appearance on PTV and was interviewed by Izhar Bobe. Sudhir married 4 times, twice when he was extended family. These 2 marriages were arranged marriage by his elder we was the only completely and the practice in Pakistani culture, then with fellow actress Shami and finally with Pakistani film actor Zeba. His first film was The Other Films of Zeba and the Others. Sudhir had 4 sons out of these marriages. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.